In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get sponsored by Romwe. If you've been dreaming of turning your fashion content into real partnerships, this guide will walk you through exactly how to do it, from beginner-friendly options to paid opportunities. First, understand the main types of collaborations Romwe offers. You'll typically see gifted collaborations, where you receive free clothes, paid collaborations for larger or proven creators, affiliate partnerships where you earn a commission per sale, and UGC deals where the brand licenses your photos or videos. Most creators start with a mix of gifted and affiliate because it's the quickest way to get on the brand's radar while proving you can drive results. Before reaching out, set up your creator profile for success. Make sure you're active on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, that your niche is clear. Think fashion, lifestyle, try-ons, or hauls, and that your content quality is solid with good lighting, clean audio, and simple edits. Keep your profile public so the brand can review your work. Even accounts with 1,000 to 10,000 followers can be approved if engagement is strong and consistent. Next, apply through Romwe's influencer or creator program and check any affiliate platforms they partner with. Sometimes collaborations also come through direct email or social DMs. You'll usually submit basic details like your name, email, social links, follower count, engagement rate, and country. Approval can take a few days to 2 weeks, so keep posting relevant content while you wait. While you apply, join the affiliate program. You can get a custom discount code, earn commission per sale, and dramatically increase your chances of a future paid collaboration. Brands love seeing real conversions. You can also pitch Romwe directly. Reach out via Instagram DM, a listed influencer email, or creator platforms with a short, friendly message. For example, "Hi Romwe team, I'm a fashion creator making try-on and styling videos. I love your pieces and would love to collaborate on UGC or a gifted campaign. I can provide high-quality reels or TikToks. Let me know if you're open to working together." If you're accepted, you'll receive an item allowance or budget, content requirements, and a deadline. Choose your items from the store, provide shipping details, and plan ahead. Shipping typically takes 7 to 15 days, depending on your location. When it's time to create, deliver what's requested, such as a TikTok or Instagram reel, a try-on haul or styling video, tag Romwe, use the required hashtags, and mention your discount code if you have one. Follow their posting rules carefully to avoid disqualification. After posting, send proof, links to your posts, screenshots, and analytics if requested. This builds trust and sets you up for paid work. To level up to paid collaborations, deliver on time, over-deliver with a few extra clips or photos, tag consistently, and use your affiliate links successfully. Brands tend to pay creators